God in heaven. Look who's here. Get the horse! I thought you were too good for us, boy. So what are you doing here, you piece of shite? Come all this way to shoot at me? Ha! Boy! Where is she? I saw her. Where is she?
She got shot. Ran off. Mad bitch done for. Good riddance.
Well, she'll die out here without you, that I do know. Hear that, you Irish whore? You could have saved yourself the trip and killed yourself at home. Your old mate didn't make it. Did you know? Had an accident. He tripped and fell and killed himself. Eddie? This one's gonna take us to town. Don't take your eyes from him. If he tries to run, you shoot like I showed you. Aim for the heart.
Yes, sir.
That's a good man. Move, you dog. Fucking move, you black bastard! Get up!
Hey, where you headed? Shut up, will ya? Where you headed?
Up to our farm a ways. This one's been stealing our supplies.
Fucking scum. We caught his ones near town.
Kani, mina militina, nanya.
Wepa Marina. Nina?
Shut up.
Papa panina.
Chipper chapper, chipper chapper.
Kita marina, tabulti.
Mina putia tuna prikani nanya.
Nara mapuli, tabulti. Cracka paka. Wakana mana mapuli. Paka paka.
I say shut your bone box!
Nara lungana. Pakana. Mapuli, mapuli.
Putia!
Bachi, lungana. Ina lakapa.
Shut it.
Ina lingana militina mana mapuli.
Putia makra.
Ina lungana mana mapuli.
Putia makra.
Ina lingana.
Putia makra.
Ina warwa mapuli. Ina warwa.
Putia.
Ina warwa.
Putia.
You can do your one too if you like.
No! I want my husband to fix it.
Suit yourself then.
I want a trophy, Davy. You promised me a trophy.
Shut up, Thompson!
I want a head. Give me the head.
All right, all right.
Bad bastards!
Move, you dog!
Impressive that you made that route without a native.
I've spent years civilizing this land, sir. It's in the blood.
I would be happy to have you over for a drink when you're ready. Bring the sergeant.
Very happy to, sir.
Claire.
Jesus Christ. Don't you ever fucking die. Look at you. You and your black boy. Roos, go find a constable. Tell him we have a thieving whore in our midst. Tell him she stole me horse and tried to kill an officer. Yes, sir. If I see you again, I'll kill you myself.